Hey, what's up guys? I'm the GamePro232 and I'm here to show you how to make a very interesting and somewhat useful potion in Terraria. I would like to play around with this every once in a while myself if I didn't have lava waders. And that, my friends, would be a water walking potion. So let's crack on with this tutorial. You will need 1 bottled water, 1 water leaf, and 1 shark fin. To get a bottled water, you will need 1 glass to craft 2 bottles on a furnace. To craft those bottles into bottled water, you will need to stand in any water of any amount and craft bottled water in the potions section. To get a water leaf, you will need to swing your sword like a maniac on the beaches and in the deserts. And you can actually see it growing. To get a shark fin, I think we all know how to get that, but I'm going to tell you anyway. You need to kill a shark in the ocean. So let's make this potion. So there it is. Consumable. Allows the ability to walk on water. Has a 5-minute duration. You craft this on an alchemy station. To craft an alchemy station, you will need 1 empty bottle and place that empty bottle on a workbench of any kind. And let's just craft this thing. Now I'm going to demonstrate what it does. As you can see, I'm not wearing any water walking device. I have lava wares in my inventory, but they are not equipped. So I'm going to demonstrate. If I go into the water, I just fall straight through. But then when I drink the potion, just like so, I stand on top. Isn't that neat? But yeah, to go back down to the water, you just walk down, and that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button, and if you really enjoyed it, please be sure to subscribe. This has been the GamePro232, and I'm out. See you later, folks.